Special session kang unta probinsyal ang nadayon dya sa inyo ni Governor Cadiao nga anda talakayan kag obrahan resolusyon ang natabo nga insidente sa Semirara sa Isla kang Kaluya. Apang apat ka mga SP members nga Sanday Lignig, Condes, Dava kag Estares ang nagpamalabag sa pag-aprobar kang resolusyon nga ginproponer ni SP Vincent Piccio III nga magasuspinde o konsarado kang panianpit sa Isla kang Semirara.
Has been handed out by our technical men, the DOE or the Department of Energy. So there's no suspension after all to speak of because it has been already meted out by the DOE. And if we will try to consider suspension here, that would mean stoppage of the social corporate responsibility of the company. That would mean the end of the strong commitment of dividend policy by the company to the province.
Masyado klaro sa isa't isa sa atin dito. Pero yun lang ibig ko kanina sabihin ay sinasabi ko lang yung anong kahirap ng mga tao mawawalan ng trabaho. So, magkakaroon ng kulang sa power. Ibig sabihin nyo yun, yung pag-approve natin ng resolution na to ay mukhang hindi pa tayo hunda. So, I think whatever the decision of this August body, it's up to everyone of us.
Dasig sanda mag-investigate nila. They're expert more than SOCO, Mr. Chair, because they have already they have already a statement recommending for the closure of that panianpit. Napakabilis nila mag-investigate ng clearance natin. Napakagaling nila. No? They already come up a resolution to close, to suspend or close the panianpit. And also,
it is the national agency will recommend to the Sangguniang Panlalawigan for closure.
that is why we are requesting.
The Sangguniang Panlalawigan has the authority to close the operation of the Semirara Port.
We do not have that authority, but we can recommend. The Sangguniang has always the power to do whatever in as far as recommendation is concerned. So our action is recommendatory to any agency of the government, whether it is MGB, whether it is DENR, or Department of Energy, or the Philippine National Police. Our action is always recommendatory.
Resolution recommending to the Department of Energy and other concerned agencies to suspend, bar, close the operations at Panianpit of the Semirara Mining Power and Coal Corporation at Semirara, Kaluya and Pique if found violative of environmental laws and poses imminent danger to the lives of the people and the destruction of our environment.
Ang nasambit nga resolusyon ang wara mapasa sa dyang special session.
Who is in favor of the proposed resolution? Please raise your right hand. There are two
members of the Honorable Board who are in favor of the proposed resolution by the Honorable Piccio, namely Honorable Vincent Piccio and Honorable Errol Santiago.
and who are in favor or not favor to that resolution? Please raise your right hand. There are four.
There are four members of the Honorable Board who were not in favor of the proposed resolution, namely the Honorable Victor Condes, Honorable Dito Jandiligni, Honorable Renante Estava, and Honorable Chupisto Estares Jr.
Okay, with that, votation. Therefore, the motion made by members of Vincent Piccio is lost. I'm sorry, we got a picture.
Para sa Kopatron, Sheila Bass.